Ever wondered if your Tangem wallet, that sleek card-like device, is a one-way street for crypto? Can you actually take your digital assets, your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, and turn them back into cold, hard cash or transfer them to your bank account? It's a question many ask when they consider a hardware wallet, and for good reason. The ability to off-ramp from crypto to fiat is crucial for realizing gains, paying bills, or simply having liquidity. So, let's cut to the chase and explore the various avenues for cashing out from your Tangem wallet. First and foremost, it's vital to understand what Tangem is. It's a non-custodial hardware wallet, meaning you, and only you, have control over your private keys. Unlike an exchange, Tangem doesn't hold your funds. It's a secure key to unlock your crypto on the blockchain. This distinction is important because it means Tangem itself isn't a bank or an exchange that directly facilitates fiat withdrawals. However, that doesn't mean you're stuck in the crypto world. Tangem cleverly integrates with third-party services to provide seamless off-ramp solutions directly within its app. The primary method for cashing out from your Tangem wallet involves using their integrated sell feature, powered by services like MoonPay. Here's how it generally works. You open your Tangem app, select the cryptocurrency you wish to sell, and tap the sell option. This will then connect you to MoonPay, or a similar integrated service. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and choose where you want to receive your funds, typically an international bank account number, IBAN, or a Visa card. It's a straightforward process designed to be user-friendly, bridging the gap between your self-custodied crypto and your traditional banking system. Of course, these third-party services, like MoonPay, operate under specific regulations, which means you'll likely need to complete a Know Your Customer (KYC) verification process. This usually involves providing some personal identification to comply with anti-money laundering (AML) and KYC regulations. The exact requirements can vary based on the amount you're trying to cash out, but it's a standard procedure for converting crypto to fiat through regulated channels. Once verified, you'll send your crypto from your Tangem wallet to the provided address, and the integrated service will handle the conversion to fiat currency, sending the funds to your designated bank account or card, often for a fee. Beyond the integrated sell feature, you also have the flexibility that comes with owning your crypto on a hardware wallet. You can always send your crypto from your Tangem wallet to a centralized cryptocurrency exchange of your choice. This is a more traditional method of cashing out. Once your crypto is on an exchange like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, or any other reputable platform, you can then sell it for your local fiat currency and initiate a withdrawal to your bank account. This might involve a few extra steps compared to the in-app sell option, but it offers more flexibility in terms of choosing an exchange with specific trading pairs or lower fees. It's also worth noting the exciting development of Tangem Pay, an upcoming self-custodial payment solution integrated with Visa's global network. While not a direct cash-out feature in the traditional sense, Tangem Pay is designed to allow users to make crypto payments at millions of Visa-supported terminals worldwide, essentially turning your crypto into a spending power equivalent to fiat. This is a game-changer for daily usability and liquidity without needing to off-ramp to fiat first. In summary, yes, you absolutely can cash out from your Tangem wallet. Whether it's through the convenient in-app sell function powered by integrated third-party services like MoonPay, or by transferring your assets to a centralized exchange for conversion, Tangem provides the necessary avenues to turn your digital holdings into tangible funds. The key is understanding that Tangem is your secure gateway, and it partners with other services or allows you the freedom to use exchanges to complete the fiat conversion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.